Well, good morning and welcome to Travel to the Russells.
Morning.
And today we're in Puerto de la Cruz in Tenerife. Is that where we are?
I don't know.
No. See?
We keep saying it wrong, don't we?
Yeah. I think it's where we are. Yeah. Anyway, we're going to have a walk
We'll
around.
correct it later if it's not.
Come and join us, see what it's
Well,
like.
it's Nigel and Julie, a fun-loving pair. In their 60s, they don't have a care. Retired from the hustle, now they're home free.
So we've got the Hotel Catalonia Las Vegas. Excellent location here. The free courtesy bus shuttle trolley from the, well, we'll call it the zoo, down to the front here. It only stops here and at the zoo. We have a McDonald's there. Huh? Oh, we've got some cars down here. Ooh. And on the seafront here, old Mercedes, old Mercedes. Ta-da! Yeah, I used to have one of them.
Yeah, you did. Yours was white.
Mine was white, taxi. But yeah, I had one of them.
No, por los carnavales suelen sacar estos coches. Bonito. She's touching everything, look, she's there rubbing it. So everyone touching it.
Yeah, one of those Laguna swimming areas with giant swimming pools and sunbeds. I think it's €7 a day or something to go in.
Which really, when you think of getting a sunbed and everything, that's
fine, yeah.
Go on, Pete.
Yeah, very nice.
I think it's a lovely area.
Remember, there is no real beach here, so it's nice. At the top end, we've got the black volcanic ash beaches, people in speedos, and what can only be described as rough seas, which I personally love. I love great big waves and breakers.
Not quite as good as yesterday, though.
No, it was a bit umpty yesterday. And again, busy all the way around. So it's Saturday, so it's quite busy everywhere. And evidently it's a festival weekend. They've crowned a king for what will be, I suppose, Whitsuntide festivities coming up in a week or two. Shopping centre, pet stop, yeah. Pet stop, water and beds for the dogs. Oh no, shoe shop, oh bloody hell, right, I'm off. snow on top of the mountains there. Evidently they had a white Christmas this last year. So even down here it was snowing. Yes, they're rather black sands, volcanic sand. Beach is cordoned off because of the rough seas. So Puerto de la Cruz. And the little fort with an obligatory snow-capped mountains in the background. Toiletto.
For a week.
So directly next to the castle is the modern sports centre with the Olympic swimming pool. We're done for today. It's lovely and sunny. We're going to sit in the sun, get a bit of a tan for 5 minutes, and then we'll be done. Any questions or comments, please just leave them below, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Well, we've been supporting Lencare for a while now, and honestly, it's one of the simplest ways I've found to make a real difference in the world. Through Lencare, I help small business owners across the globe grow their businesses, support their families, and build better futures. And the best part is, you can do the same. There's already a fantastic community of over 90,000 people lending, and together we're creating real positive change, one small loan at a time. If you'd like to get involved, I can help you get started. When you join using my link, you'll receive £15 free credit to make your very first loan, so you can try it out and see the impact for yourself. This is not a donation, you actually lend the money and watch how it helps someone build a better life. I find it incredibly rewarding. If you enjoy our travel videos and stay in the world like we do, this is a brilliant way to give something back to it. Give it a go today, and let's make a difference together. Lend with care. Follow the link or check the description in the video.
Well, the sun's a rising and the place we love so. From the UK skies to the Mediterranean.